Trade related.
So previously there
Trade
was
related.
power cut, sir. I couldn't.
Okay.
Shall we join again for the this new topic you are starting now, sir? Without a
No. Another agreement, two agreements are there. Under the same WTO only, World Trade Organization, I'm continuing.
okay, sir.
I have dealt till now only agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue? I will have to join
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes, sir. Please continue. 5 minutes
Continue.
are there, sir. It's okay, no?
5 minutes more. Okay. Another agreement which is important is TRIPS, TRIPS, trade related. This is trade related intellectual property settlement. Trade, TRIPS, intellectual property. We discussed about intellectual property in our previous lesson when I was dealing with intellectual property rights. No, that was dealt in a very detailed manner. Nothing. Intellectual property is nothing but whichever is related to the creation of a mind. He gets the ownership of that. Copyright, trademark, geographical indication, GI tagging, and patents, any industrial designs, trade secrets. These are all now come under intellectual property rights. World Trade Organization, these trade related under TRIPS, the intellectual property rights of every kind will be governed by World Trade Organization. That means it ensures that the copyright of these various intellectual property rights are protected. The government protected, intellectual property rights of the governments will be protected by World Trade Organization. That agreement is called TRIPS, TRIPS. Another agreement is TRIMS, TRIMS. TRIMS. TRIMS is trade related aspects of investment measures. That is, trade related aspects of investment measures is TRIMS. TRIPS, TRIMS. So, TRIMS is to promote investment, equal opportunities, investment by companies, by countries, or the people across the world equally. Opportunities have to be given for investment all over the world in an equal manner. That is the objective of the TRIMS. Here, the sphere of foreign investment, avoiding unnecessary complications. Suppose somebody wants to invest, some country wants to invest in your country, but this country is going for it asks various clauses. Okay, when you want to invest, you have to create 1,000, 10,000 jobs. Then only I will give you permission. Likewise, it can impose sanctions. It can obstruct the flow of the investment. Though the government, another country wants to invest in your country, this country can obstruct the flow. Now, currently, what is happening in states like Andhra Pradesh, this is happening. WTO will have an authority. It has a guideline. Somebody wants to invest money in any country, it ensures, it talks, it enters into talks with that particular country. It's not with the states, country, and then it ensures proper procedure is followed by the country without obstructing the intention of the foreign investor. The agreement, this particular agreement is called TRIMS, TRIMS. Another agreement, I think, that completes the WTO agreements, that is GATS, GATS. GATS is, I told you about GATT, GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. General Agreement of Tariff and Trade subsequently became WTO. GATT was for the goods. GATS, General Agreement on Tariff and Services. Services is subsequently, it has come now, your computer services. Many countries now, everywhere computer services, everywhere computer companies are coming, cloud services. Many companies have established companies in India. India went and established companies in other country. These are called services. So subsequently, when services sector became very dominant, then WTO decided to start another agreement called GATS, GATS, General Agreement on Trade and Services. Here, more focus is given not on commodities, focus is given on services. These services, GATS is of 4 types. These 4 models are there in GATS. Model A, it is cross-boundary services. Cross-boundary services is, one service will be there, it is available in this country, sitting here in this country, they can offer service in the other country. That is cross-boundary